my name is Julieta from Shining3D, and today we'll be doing an unboxing video of the AutoScan-DS-EX Pro H. So we'll start. Let's open the box. Okay, so after we have opened the box, we will find a couple of accessories. The first one will be the dynamic articulator platform. Second, we will have the static articulator platform. And underneath, we also can find the blue tack, which will be also very useful for holding the models or the dice onto the platforms. And for cleaning and maintenance, you can see that we have a microfiber towel to clean up the scanner head or the cameras. Next, we'll remove the foam to get to the scanner and its accessories. Inside, the first thing you'll see is going to be the accessories box. So let's check this one out. Here we'll find a lot of different fixtures for all the applications that you will be using it for. The first one, and very important, is the height adapter that you will keep at all times. The second one will be the model fixture. It's for any type of model that you have, and the box includes 2 of them. Then the multi-die platform, where you will be able to put different abutments or dies. Also in this box, you will find articulator transfer plates. These are 2 of them. And other platforms for models or any other die that you want to hold with the blue tack will be included. As well, you'll find inside the box the platform for the impression and the clip that will hold it. And this one is the all-in-one platform, which allows you to scan 2 quadrant models and as many dies as you can see in this platform. Finally, we can find the calibration plate inside this little black bag. Make sure that you keep it protected all the times with this white cover. And once you want to calibrate, you will take this off and put it on the scanner. Okay, so now we go on to the most exciting part, which is going to be the scanner. Lastly, there will be other cables inside the box, which will be the power cables and the data cable, which will be connected into the scanner to the computer. Now this concludes the video of the unboxing of the DS-EX Pro H. Now you know what's included inside the box. This is Julieta Chang from Shining3D, and now let's go to the next video.